Hey, it's Kate with WTI. If you have ever had a bad pillow, you know how detrimental that can be to your sleep. So I am so happy that I found these pillows by Comfysleep, and Comfysleep is the best name for them because that is exactly what they give you. We got the set of two king size, which I love because they are so cuddly and cozy, especially at that larger king size. I really appreciate that they are bamboo, so these are cooling. That is always top of my list when it comes to sleep products. When they arrived to us, they were in kind of a vacuum sealed bag. I followed the directions and put them in the dryer on cool for I think it was 20 minutes, and I was amazed that they fluffed right up. I was really impressed with the care that they put into delivering them. These pillows are just kind of perfect for so many different sleepers. I myself am a side sleeper, but then I find I wake up on my back. And so I need something that's going to be adjustable and customizable for me. You can take out the stuffing if it's too firm, if it's too much. You can flatten it out, you can add it back in. It's totally customizable to your needs depending on the kind of sleeper that you are. That's such a personal thing, a pillow, right? And it's so hard to find one that is comfy, so I love that you can really adjust this. You can also take the cover off and clean it. I am so happy with this cozy pillow. I was really struggling to find a good one before. I was suffering from a lot of neck and head pain, and I was just unable to get comfortable at night. And I have to say that this Comfysleep pillow has really helped me. I love it, and I think you're going to as well. But that's just my point of view.